That was a bull. He might be alright. Have we got any fruit for him? Hey buddy. Don't want to get too close. He puts in the charge, I'm fucked.
Nick minute.
Never had a cow come up to me before. I worked on a cattle station for 2 years and they always ran away. This cow's like walking up and just loving the scratches. Alright, so the seat has arrived back. We're just getting it installed again over here. Yeah, Al's just taking off the wheels and checking the brakes, which they seem fine, but he's just giving them a clean out. And yeah, we put a thing on the WhatsApp thing, just saying, you know, come to Suresh. He's good and everything. And yeah, we had 3 other rickshaws show up in that time. We got one over here who had a idling problem, a clutch problem, and some welding done. This one over here, the front brake needed sorting, which is done. And this one over here had a guard on the other side that needed a bit of panel beating. So yeah, everyone's getting sorted out by my man Suresh. He's looking after us. Yeah. And yeah, soon we'll be on our way. We just booked in at Jungle Hostel, which most of the people stayed at last night. So yeah, we're all booked in. So once we finish here, we'll probably shoot off to the hostel, check in, and then hopefully hit the beach, which is what I'm looking forward to. So we just checked in at the place called Jungle. It's our room just back there, elephant room. We just parked up a rickshaw here out the front. Hopefully she's all good. And we're just gonna head over to Mangalore, I believe it's called, which seems to be the local hangout for all the rickshaw runners that are staying at Jungle. See if they've got some lunch there. No doubt they will, but Alex is in particular looking for a pork sausage to put in and all around his mouth. But apparently Goa's pretty famous for their pork sausage here. Recommendation, shout out to Monkey, Flying Monkey, for that recommendation. Cheers, bro. We're on the hunt now to go find ourselves one of those. See how we go. Alright, so we're just here at the Mango Tree, and we've ordered one of these Goan specialties, the pork sausage, but it didn't come out quite as you'd expect. So this is it here. Now don't get me wrong, it's very tasty, and it's got a bit of a kick to it spice-wise, and it's lovely. But it's not at all what I was expecting. Al, what do you reckon?
Didn't really know what to expect.
That's true.
I'm imagining back in Australia, like a bit of white bread, a bit of snag, a bit of tomato sauce, but
yeah,
obviously they do it a bit differently here, so
I was thinking,
it's good.
I don't know why, but I was thinking like the crumb pork sausages you get in the hot box at the local corner store, you know?
Down at the mobile.
I was way off there. But it's good, it's a pleasant surprise, so no complaints. As you can see, I've got the regular two watermelon shakes. Right, so we just finished lunch up and we're heading down to the beach for officially our first swim since we've been in India, in the ocean that is. We have got our feet wet a few times, but due to one reason or another, mainly security guards stopping people going for a swim, we think today might be the day, unless there's some other unforeseen circumstance which we're about to run into, we will be going for a swim right now. This is actually our last opportunity for a while, as we're going to be heading inland, and we estimate that our next opportunity won't be for a couple of months until we're on the east coast again. So yeah, let's hope it happens right now. There were people parked up there, like buses and all sorts of shit. I don't know if that's to go for parking. So here we are. We made it to the beach at Goa. What? It's quite nice. There's a bit of black sand around, but it's pretty good. Lifeguard up there. Cows on the beach. Only in India, right? finally did it. We went for a swim in India. But yeah, there's lifeguards here, right? Over, yeah, you spotted them before. And yeah, we got into trouble for going in deeper than our knees. It's like literally so shallow out there for ages. And as soon as you go like maybe 10 meters out, they blow the whistle and wave you back in. I think the only chance we're really going to get to go for a swim in India is if we find a deserted beach. I think that's the only way. Alright guys, so we ended up being a very quiet night here in Goa tonight. There's a few teams around, but everyone's just chilling. So we've got a big day ahead of us tomorrow, so we decided to call it a night pretty early. Well, it's still 10 o'clock, 9:30/10 o'clock-ish. And so yeah, we're setting alarms for 5:15, hope to be on the road at 6. And yeah, big day ahead of us, driving non-stop to get to Hampi by tomorrow night. And yeah, that's about it for tonight. So remember guys, namaste every day. Peace.